Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Monday, October 14th, 2019. And the free signal I'm going to share with you is for NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. And right now, it looks like an excellent time to buy, right? The price that come down to this support level came up to this resistance and shot back down to the same level of support, which actually hit several times before, right? So we know this is a pretty strong level of support. The question is it going to drop? Is it going to break the support and keep dropping more? Well, we look at the 1 hour chart. We have a down arrow but no up arrow yet, right? But we're approaching the same level of support here. So technically it could drop a little bit more. If we look at the 4 hour, we see the same thing, right? It's shown to be going down. So I'm thinking it's going to drop even more. But if we look at the higher time frames like the daily and weekly, all we have is an up arrow. If we look at the weekly, all we have is an up arrow, right? So the long-term trend is definitely bullish, meaning it's going to be going up. Okay, so the smaller time frames like the 1 hour and 4 hour, you can kind of disregard as far as determining the actual trend. Okay, so we know that the long-term trend is going to be bullish, meaning it's going to go up. So we want to be placing buy trades only, which is perfect because you look here on a 30-minute chart, which I base all my signals on, that it definitely wants to go up, right? But to be 100% certain, what we need to do is draw a trend line coming from this point down to this point, okay? And watch this. You have this point, and this point. These points here match up perfect, okay? So this right here is your downtrend, and until this trend line is broken, we do not officially have a new uptrend, okay? That, when you have about 2 candles that shoot above here, that is when you want to buy, all right? Now also, what you can do to make this even easier and more foolproof is to draw a Fibonacci retracement, okay? Coming from, click on the F right here and go from this high point right here, this opposite arrow, to the current arrow right here, okay? And then the 23.6 level, this is where you want to place a pending buy stop order, okay? Place your pending order here, and then you can place your take profit here or even at the 50 level. Also what you can do is place a pending order here, and then once the trade is activated, wait for the opposite red arrow to form on the 30-minute or even the 15-minute chart, right? But once you have an opposite red arrow, then you want to close the trade, okay? I probably would, once you activate the trade, you probably could drop down to a 5-minute chart even and then close your trade, okay? Or, like I said, you just place a pending order here and take profit here, and you'll be done. All right. So there's just some different options on how you can trade this. I'm gonna go ahead and post this data in my Telegram signal group, and then that way you have this information. But at least you can see how I would trade and how you should be trading also. Okay, every single day. So anyhow, this is my free daily signal for today. If you have not joined my regular Telegram signal group, I ask that you please do so, because I post a lot of signals. Now today is Monday and the market's kind of slow, so I've only posted 4 signals, but now we're going into the New York session and things are starting to pick up now, so I should be posting more and more signals. But on average, I post about 10 to 15 signals every single day. Okay, so with the exception of today because this market is slow on Monday, but that's to be expected. Okay, and anyhow, so far it's looking really good for a buy. Give it a couple hours before you can hop into this trade, or just place a pending order and be done. All right. So if you have any questions about how to trade this or any of my other Telegram signals I show you here, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook account. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group. Okay, if you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so. This way you can post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, and myself or other traders can assist you, okay? We can all have like an open discussion or collaboration on your topic, all right? So with that said, just reach out to me on Facebook, and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.